Hello beautiful people, and welcome to Lip Balm Kiss TV. So in today's video, we are doing, as you guys can see from the title, a Sunday reset routine. I've never done one of these on my channel, but I'm literally obsessed with Sundays. They're my favorite day of the week. And I know here recently it's become like a trend to be like relaxing and resetting this whole thing, but this is something I've lived by for years. I'm obsessed with Sundays. I'm obsessed with cleaning my house. I'm obsessed with cleaning, cooking, anything reset and home-wise. That's me. So we're going to be cleaning, doing a little laundry. We're going to cook. And we're also going to do some skincare, get in the shower, shave, all that good stuff. So if you enjoy this type of content, then just keep on watching. I also always like to have me a nice glass of wine on Sundays. It just gets me in the relax and reset mode. Do you guys drink wine? And if so, please put me on to some nice wine in the comment section below. I usually get like an $8 bottle of wine or champagne, nothing crazy. But if you guys are into wine or like champagne, please help me out in the comments and give me some things to try. Now, shout out to my mom for giving me this recipe to boil on my stove to kind of give my home a natural, like sugary cookie smell, which is one of my favorite scents. So if you're into spirituality at all, you know what the cinnamon is for. So I speak positivity and intention over my home. This is cinnamon sticks, cinnamon powder, and then oranges and vanilla. And oh my gosh, you guys, you have to try it. It makes your home literally smell like sugar cookies, cinnamon sugar cookies. I love it. Absolutely love it. So next, we have been getting into our wellness. So these are the vitamins that I'm currently taking most of the time. I say most of the time because some days I do forget. I am human. But I got this cute little organizer off Amazon. It's in my Amazon store, in the link in the description box below. But these are the vitamins I'm currently taking. If you guys have any vitamins that you swear by, please let me know of them in the comments below. Anything for energy, anything for women's wellness, anything wellness in general that you feel like, oh my gosh, she has to try this, do not hesitate to let me know, because I'm really trying to tap into my wellness as well. Also, a part of our Sunday routine for our reset would have to be checking out our dry erase board and our personal planner to see where we're at as far as things to do that we were supposed to accomplish for the week, or see if we're on track for the month as far as our wellness and financial goals. So I just kind of go over my planner, go over my dry erase board, go over my finances, and kind of give myself a little reality check, make sure I'm still doing exactly what I need to be doing for the month. Also, as part of our reset, I usually have a few ones left over from the weekend. So I use my money counter, band them up in stacks of 100, and get them ready for a bank drop. So that's what that is. And yeah, gotta love it. So as far as today's Sunday reset menu, we're going to be doing some ravioli, some caprese and tomato ravioli. I'm gonna make my own sauce for the ravioli, and then we're gonna have baby broccolini with garlic bread. So if if you guys enjoy this type of thing. I'm still not eating meat. I ate meat on vacation, but y'all gotta forgive me. I was on vacation. I'm on vacation now, actually. But when I'm back home, it's no meat. We're back to our veggies, and I really am trying to stick to that. So I find these little different things from Trader Joe's and kind of spice them up and make them my own. They're easy meals, even though they look like they're complicated. When I put them on a plate, they're very easy meals. And y'all already know I love cooking. If you have a favorite Sunday dish, let me know what it is below, even if it's pot roast. I don't care if it has meat, because I can try and find a vegetarian version of it. Let me know y'all's favorite Sunday meal in the comment section below. It could be a childhood favorite meal or something you currently cook, but I love to try new recipes and stuff like that. Now it's time for our shower. So I'm just gonna hop in the shower. I don't have a crazy routine. I usually exfoliate, make sure I got me a face mask, some eye patches. I'm actually gonna shower today I'm actually gonna shave today in the shower because it's about that time. I shave my legs, so we're just gonna exfoliate, wash our body, shave, get out, do a little bit of skincare. Our skincare is going to consist of the Aztec clay mask and then the turmeric under eye patch, and that's about it. My biggest thing is moisturizing, because as you all know, when you drink, it's just very dehydrating, and we got to stay moisturized, y'all. We got to take care of ourselves. So that's pretty much what this portion consists of. And I know some people have these long, drawn out shower routines. They do not work for me. I cannot stick to them. I think I might have like mild ADHD or something. I just can't do the long shower routine. So I just literally wash, get out, and do my thing. But if you have a product that you use in the shower that really works, comment down below. Y'all helped me out as far as the skin moisturizer, and I really appreciate it. So if you have something that you use in the shower that you swear by, please drop it below. Or if you have a face mask that you swear by, please drop it below, because I'm always down to try new products. Y'all already know how I feel about smelling good in the house. Dossier, thank you so much for sending over this scent. Dossier, for those of you that don't know, they are a luxury perfume brand where you get just as good of a smell for a fraction of the price. They offer all different kind of discounts, money off, credit towards your next purchase, and they have something for everyone. Men, women, they have it all. They also have candles and everything too. So Dossier, y'all gotta send me some candles so I can let them know what the candles are hitting for. But they sent over Fruity Honey, which was absolutely amazing. I love their scents, y'all, and I'm not just saying that. They are the bomb. Y'all have to check them out. I haven't tried the candles yet. Dossier, send me a candle. But as far as the fragrances, they are freaking amazing, and they last a long time. I spray this on in the evening, and I still wake up smelling it in the morning, and I'm not kidding. So yeah, I get compliments 24/7 about how I smell so great. Dossier, thank you so much for always taking care of me with the fragrances. Y'all already know I have a discount code for Dossier, so make sure you check out the description box below to make sure you're saving as much money as you can off of your next purchase. And that is it for today's Sunday reset. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.